show you some good lo 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 lo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome to the Love Magazine.
Thank you very much.
My name is Cynthia Odinaka, and I'll be the interviewer for today.
Thank you.
And by the way, you do very amazing, sir.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Please, could you introduce yourself to us?
My name is Otunba Ayodeji Osibogun. Broadcaster, entrepreneur, philanthropist, I'm saying that. Yet, a fighter for justice, human rights, and all that is good and worthy of mention in life. I suffered fools gladly. I'm as straight as an arrow, and as frank as maybe franker than Frank Sinatra. But I try to live my life in this way that I don't upset people. I don't want people to upset me. So sometimes people call me no wahala for Canada. That means I don't behold problems for anybody. I don't want problems for myself. So, like they say in Lagos, JJ, come and call me. JJ me to marry. Thank you.
Yeah, nice meeting you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, digging into your background, you discover that you are a media mogul with a career in broadcasting and served as head of production services at OGTV from the years 1982 to 1984, and also you were a producer slash presenter for Ogun Radio from 1979 to 1982. Is there any other thing you'd like to add to this?
My broadcast career.
Yes, sir.
Well, that story is like an egg hatch. Because way back in the 60s, I was one of the first few young children to appear on TV at a very young age. That's the WNTV. We had people like Julie Coker, Bola Law, Remy Bayo, quite a few of them. So my career in broadcasting actually started as from my kindergarten stage. You can imagine if you were taken to a TV station as an early stage, what would you want to do? So from watching cameramen, then taking part in children's TV programs, I got involved. I was also involved in drama troops, acting on the stage of University of Ibadan as a student. Anytime I was on holidays from my secondary school, I always participated in drama productions at the University of Ibadan, which I later on got on TV. So to add to what you said, I've been in the industry right from when I was smart enough to know what ABC is and what 1234 is all about.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, aside media, if you didn't go into media, what other professional job would you have wanted for?
I wasn't a whole lot of professional job when I was immediately I lost my job at GTV. I was going to be retired from productivity, and this was after running 5 weeks of non-stop electioneering transmission from the sitting room of my governor then, late Mr. Onabanjo. I was there for 5 weeks running the election results. I was coordinating the two stations, and immediately after the military took over, I was going to be retired for unproductivity, and from there I resigned. And from being unproductive, I started cleaning company. I started cleaning floors, cleaning people's toilets, and trying to make a means living from that. Many times when my daughter, she's going to be 41 now, when she was in primary school, and they would ask her, what job does your dad do? She said, dad is a cleaner. And what about your mom? My mom is a banker. So you talk to me about profession. So I say that I have been featured into anything I wanted to one, feed my family, be a family responsible father.
Otunba Ayodeji Osibogun, Dad, you have been the greatest example any son could ask for. I use this opportunity to wish you a happy 65th birthday.
Bradeji, this is a video for your birthday. We'll start with Onyade Amoyosore.
Happy 65th birthday, Uncle Big D. Wishing you a wonderful day.
Happy 65th birthday, Uncle Big D. Hope the day is full of special memories for today and the future.
Mommy, happy birthday, Tigiwa. I have known you all my life. We thank God for your life. Happy 65th birthday.
Wishing you the best today and all the time. Thank you.
Happy birthday, our dear brother and friend Deji.
Happy birthday to you, my dear brother Ayodeji, Ayodeji Osibogun.
On behalf of myself and the entire Kirimade family, I heartily congratulate our father, our brother, and friend, Otunba Ayodeji Osibogun, on this auspicious occasion of his Natal Day celebration.
Congratulations, Ayodeji Osibogun.
Happy birthday.
This is your big sister, Sis Peace. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
My name is Shegun Odegbami. So on this occasion, on behalf of all the generations of friends, mutual friends that you and I have, I want to say a very happy birthday to you.